Hi, welcome back. I'm Karen Mulchenbray, Chief Editor of Computer Graphics World, again here at Siggraph 2012, and joining me here today is...
Hi, I'm Alan Bourgoyne with AMD. I work for the professional graphics group at AMD. We're the guys who produce all the professional cards that go into computer workstations for high-end digital content creation and design.
Okay, here you have some new products that you're showing off.
Yes, this week at Siggraph we announced our brand new line of professional graphics products that feature our computing next generation graphics technology. So those all came out this week, and we're featuring those in our booth here at Siggraph and in many of our partners on the show floor.
Okay, and do you want to give us a little detail about those cards?
Sure. They're our latest generations of graphics processing unit, or GPU. They provide extremely high levels of both graphics capability and compute. We see a lot of trend in the industry. People want to use their graphics cards not only for graphics, for drawing and creating really cool objects and things, but they also want to use them for compute. They're very highly parallel compute engines, so people want to exploit that for computational needs as well as drawing really cool pictures on the screen.
Okay, and you also have a lot of partners here at the show.
Yes, we have quite a number, about 30 or 40 partners here on the show floor that are featuring AMD technology. In our booth, in particular, we have Autodesk, who's showing a technology preview with their Maya product. It's a particle simulation in the booth, and you can actually see real-time fluids being created. They're using actually the GPUs to do both the mathematical computations and the actual rendering of those fluids. And we also have Rhino in our booth, and they're doing a lot of really cool things using GPUs for a high-quality rendering. There's definitely a push in the industry toward photorealistic rendering, and people are looking for the GPUs not only do the graphics part, but the mathematical computations of those as well.
And tell us, obviously lately, it seems like the graphic cards are leading the charge in the graphics industry, and it's enabling a lot of the cool technology that everyone's seeking. What other trends are we seeing?
Well, I think in general there's a push to have a lot more realism, and whether you'd be designing a car or a CG character for a film, people want photorealistic quality rendering at all times, whether I'm interacting with that design in the early stages or where I'm doing final rendering for film or for print. So GPUs bring a lot of computational capabilities and graphics capabilities to bear, and the curve's been pretty sharp, so people want to take advantage of all that power to help drive more realism all the way through any type of design or game or commercial endeavors they might be engaged in.
Okay, and here at the show, are you seeing any particular trends, or have you been limited to the booth all day?
I've been around quite a bit, and as well as those realism kind of techniques and computational techniques, there's also a move toward gestures and voice recognition in applications. People want to be able to wave their hand, interact with computer screens, and also talk. Again, very computationally intensive tasks, so GPUs are very well suited to do those kinds of tasks as well. So I guess if there's a theme, is this, they want more power, everything from a tablet to a large desktop system. They want a lot of graphics processing power and also compute processing power, and so GPUs are kind of leading the charge on providing that kind of power and giving them a more balanced system to work from.
Okay, and I'm not sure if you can provide this to us, but any kind of sneak peek as to what we're going to see from your company in the near future?
Well, one of the areas we've been working on is combining our CPU and GPU technology. AMD builds high-performance CPUs as well as GPUs, and we actually announced our first workstation-based system using our Trinity APU. We call it the Accelerated Processing Unit, with both CPU and GPU cores integrated into one processing unit. You'll continue to see us move that technology forward in the future, and you'll be surprised at the kind of compute and graphics computation power we can provide in a single chip, and that will scale up and down, so you see those in very high-end workstations as well as very low-power devices such as smartphones and handheld devices over time.
Okay, and any parting words for us?
It's just been a great show for AMD. We've announced a lot of new products here, and hopefully if you're in the compute space and doing professional design, you'll take a look at some of the AMD products. We think we offer some very compelling performance and capabilities, and along with our software partners, we can provide very compelling solutions for people in the professional design space.
Okay, wonderful. Thank you very much for your time.
No, thank you.